Ontario Centres of Excellence Mine to Market Award 2010. This award honors the best OCE-supported commercially successful collaborations between innovative research and industry partners.
Hello, I'm Tom Core, President and CEO of Ontario Centres of Excellence. 5 finalists were selected for this year's award, and each shows what can be achieved when you connect Ontario's world-class academic researchers with high-potential companies. Each finalist has moved promising research from the labs of Ontario universities and colleges into the global marketplace. And each is quickly becoming an industry leader in sectors such as clean tech, manufacturing, and information technology. Their cutting-edge products and services are attracting attention around the world. And more importantly, these collaborations are creating new jobs, generating investment, and strengthening Ontario's economy. Choosing a winner wasn't easy. Our panel, made up of leading minds from the worlds of science and commerce from across Ontario, judged this year's nominees on 4 criteria: innovation, collaboration, commercialization, and the wow factor.
The innovation that has gone into all these companies has been able to create jobs and actually has economic impact in the region, so that's pretty impressive.
The minimum amount of investment that's gone into a lot of these through OCE, it was enough investment to get them to that next level.
It's the perfect type of collaboration where the industry partner can drive its understanding of the market through the research.
What this whole exercise is about is, where do the new companies come from? What can we do to encourage them and enable them to succeed?
Here are your 2010 Mine to Market Award finalists.
My name is Dave Kretsch, President of Aeryon Labs, and this is the Aeryon Scout. Aeryon Labs designs small, easy-to-use, unmanned aerial vehicles for the backpack of every soldier and the trunk of every police car. We've developed the Aeryon Scout. It's a small, quadrotor, unmanned aerial vehicle designed to collect aerial intelligence for police and military applications.
I've been working with Aeryon for a couple years now, trying to improve the low-level controls so that the vehicle can better handle adverse weather. And it's really exciting to see Aeryon using my research, and it forces me to push the research a little further so that the customers can actually use the things we're developing in the lab and not just leave them as an academic exercise.
Aeryon and OCE have been collaborating since the inception of Aeryon. Aeryon has become a case study on how to utilize OCE programs to become a profitable company.
Aeryon Labs is taking off, so to speak, and we've actually received our first order over $1 million.
HousAll Systems Corporation is a company that provides shelter solutions for transitional and temporary applications in the recreational, military, and humanitarian markets. We've had self-financing and successful development of our product and the successful deployment of our shelter systems in the Haitian market post the earthquake of January 2010. We worked with Algonquin College over the past few years. It was a relationship to satisfy both an educational requirement on Algonquin's side and a market requirement on HousAll's side.
This collaboration enabled the students to have a real-life experience working with an industrial partner who had a real need. It also enabled the professors to get on board with some of the latest things happening in this area. During the Haiti earthquake, our students and faculty went down and helped in the relief efforts and did a documentary on that, so provided a wonderful, again, real-life experience for our students.
One of the things that caught me about this was actually the passion of the students that were involved. And then what I found out is, after getting to know the company a little bit better, was that passion was in the company as well.
Miovision provides hardware and software systems for collecting traffic data at intersections. What Miovision does is it provides systems for enabling a smarter intersection, gets you to work faster, saves money on fuel, and really helps out the environment. We've worked with OCE for about 4 years. They've been instrumental in helping us bring in key hires in the areas of computer vision and product marketing.
OCE has been supporting Miovision right from the start through market readiness, first job, and CCR's business services. And they're really a prime example of translating technology from academia out of the University of Waterloo into a really promising new technology company.
In the university and the lab, we often work on theoretical problems, but when industry comes to the table, they bring the current real-world problems to our attention, and that helps encourage the graduate students to think that way. Miovision and my research group have a nice synergy because we're both interested in the same things, and Miovision helps to support some of our research projects.
We're currently in 18 countries. We see a global demand for what we're doing. As the world urbanizes more and more, we see that demand increasing over time.
Panacis has developed control systems and integration knowledge for advanced power systems, mainly based on lithium. Our key technology is the systems that actually control the batteries, control the lithium systems, and allow them to be used safely in military, medical, and industrial applications.
OCE supported Panacis through a collaborative research project that we undertook with the University of Toronto that led to the core technology that Panacis is developing today.
Working with the industry partner, I think, was a new learning experience for us and very exciting by all means. There are some very real deadlines in terms of achieving our deliverables and also the funding, and always being cognizant of the business goals, the market that we're addressing, the consumer needs. These are things that typically you wouldn't think about in conventional academic research.
We've established a number of international partnerships, and we've secured a number of international clients. We've really brought a lot of business back to Canada from those other countries.
Exogen is a clean tech company located in Orangeville, Ontario. We're developing an electrolytic technology to treat raw sewage.
Exogen is a truly transformative technology in that it reinvents the wastewater treatment system by eliminating many of the conventional processes altogether.
Treatment is accomplished in 15 minutes as opposed to 8 hours.
The particular expertise I brought to this project was to develop a compact, flexible power supply to drive an electrochemical cell. We have a solution which basically allows them to build a system which should be relatively low cost.
We're building a pilot plant that will be located at Orangeville's wastewater treatment plant. It will be operational in November of this year.
We've selected Miovision as the winner of this year's Mind to Market Award. The clear vision that they had, their positioning in the marketplace, the uniqueness, the state of their technology, and the business model that they had in order to generate new business and new clients was at the heart of the reason that we chose Miovision.
What made them stand out was the technology. I liked the technology, I liked the team. I'd also seen similar technology being piloted in Europe, and I was very impressed with it at the time.
They've got a technology which is definitely addressable to the current market they're looking at, and they've got some interesting innovation in the pipeline as well.
They are at a stage where they've got a huge addressable market. They've got a technology that works, and they're getting it out there, and the management team is one that can take it to the next level.
Traffic congestion costs money. It reduces the competitiveness of a city, and we also know that traffic congestion causes more accidents, and so they're trying to solve an important problem. That's what entrepreneurship so often is all about, is trying to solve a problem.
Congratulations, Miovision Technologies and the University of Waterloo, winner of the Mind to Market Award 2010.